Shooting on the phone camera really pushes you to improve and develop your photographer skills, as you cannot fall back on expensive lenses or other professional photography equipment. The great thing is, it is possible to get better with the same phone camera which you have now. Let me show you an example. These are my images made with my iPhone approximately 2-3 years ago. Right, okay, now these are the images made more recently. Can you see the difference? And guess what? It is still the same phone. My name is Maria and I'm a photographer from Almaty, Kazakhstan. And in this class, I will talk about iPhone photography. I made this class for beginners, those who want to advance their mobile photography. We will discuss a few practical tips, a few creative ones like adding shadows, shooting backlit or incorporating action into your shots. And I will also talk about editing and show you my editing process. Although some technical points are specific for the iPhone, the creative advice and editing sections are relevant to any other phone camera too. So, let's take your mobile photography to the next level.